So you got a new sawmill. You're kind of like me. This is new to me. And where do you get blades? Well, I was gonna show you where I'm getting mine from Woodmizer so far. I only bought a couple as a sample, and the shipping's pretty high if you just buy one or two. But this is a box of 10, and if you buy 10, at least right now they got a special where you can get free shipping. So, in case you're curious, this is what you get. Okay, it comes with some instructions there on how to return these. They've got a sharpening service too. Let's see how these are even packed. I'm curious. Kind of in layers. So 2 blades per layer. There you go. Now, so far I've only tried the double hard. Is that what they call these? Yeah, double hard blades. And I can't really testify as to how long they'll last just yet, because the first one I was trying I actually messed up already. My fault. But if you buy these in 10, they actually knock $1 or so off per blade, at least on my size that I ordered, and they have a free shipping special. So these ended up being about $19 a piece if you buy 10. If you just buy one, it's more like $29 a piece or something, or 30. They're pretty high. But just in case you're curious, that's what a 10 pack looks like. Catch you later.